before I go talk anything, I beg, make you guys watch this video. So coronavirus make come on cough. Come on cough, man no fit cough. Come on cough, like man no fit cough. Man no fit cough again because of coronavirus. Because of coronavirus, we no fit cough again for our own country. On our own world we God create give us. One small virus make we do. We don't even fit cough. We don't even fit cough.